Guys, Chris with Explicit here. I know it's been a while and I'm really sorry, but in this video hopefully you'll see why. You guys haven't gotten an update from me in a while, and the crew and overall, and we'll be able to talk about what's going on. So let's switch it up here and show y'all what we got going on. So we're sitting over here in the daily right now. Talk about a couple things. I didn't want to actually make an update until we had made any progress on the 240, and it's been a long struggle. That's for sure. Building a car is not easy, especially in this day and age with everything going on in the economy. Everybody knows, but it's been hard. Life's sort of been kicking me while it's been down, and it's been a struggle to even just keep the 240. Luckily, I was able to move into a house and change up my living situation and stuff, but the landlords decided to tell me to get rid of the 240. So I said, fuck that, hit up some homeboys, got a space for it, which you'll see a clip of us getting the sound deadening out. I'm not sure if it's in this video or in the next video where I'll do that, but it's been a struggle, but we still have the S14, guys, and I've been cooking. So we just went and picked up some parts that I had at a buddy's house. In here we got the new steering column straight from Japón. Oh, fuck, if I can do this one-handed. Straight off Japan. That'll be going in the S14. We needed a new steering column because the previous owner of the S14 kind of sheared off the splines on the old one, putting on some cheap eBay wheel, which we also got a NRG with a quick release to replace. So there's that. And then if you guys saw the 240 in the first video, you would have seen that what I picked up was an actual just roller chassis, and we've been piecing the car together, literally piece by piece. So, well, you'll see in here what I got in the trunk of my daily, a little Hyundai. I got the whole sound system for the 240. Pioneer everything, yes, basic Walmart speakers. It's a race car, not a comp car or show car. And then my trans, we have brand new short shifter, P2M short shifter V3 kit. I have my 5-love swap down there, and then the owner of the car, the previous owner, gave me the car with a brand new set of max peds. So now I have the last one, so we can swap that over just to move the car around, and for now get the car running 100%. Sorry about the camera thing that just happened. I'm using something new, which is called a Pocket Osmo Pocket 3. So let me know how you guys like that and how audio it is. We've been cooking, and I've been trying to work on like a good camera setup for the track so we can get all angles, but hopefully this is better than us just using our phones than how we were before. Let's give you guys a quick update on what we got going on down here and what's actually going on with S14. So right here behind me, we literally have everything from the inside of my S14 plus a couple door cards. We'll figure out what we're gonna do with all that. But I already have the bash bar and the seat. Here's the intercooler for boost and the ECU. And I'll throw at the end of this video in the clip from Howtech at Hyperfest where they hooked us up. Boys, they really helped us out. They helped us out so much. Over here we got center console and everything else. I've been suede wrapping my whole interior. So although we haven't been filming and making a video, boys, we've been cooking. And to give you guys an update, I know that we talked about doing boost and everything else, but here is the built motor. And I'll do a separate video updating you guys on the motor itself. This is the motor that we were planning on putting on the 240 and starting it up with on the first time. Full, you know, Haltech, deleted Dizzy. I even have the whole, what is it? Plug or fuck. Having a hard time remembering it here right now. I think it's the Nice Time Racing coil pack over plug conversion kit, so we can have it all digital with the Haltech 2500 Elite. Check out the floor. Advisable not spray inside, but if you ever need a spray paint inside, I recommend getting one of these little Wagner spray paint booths. I got this from Walmart and it worked really good. This is where I sprayed the valve cover at for the other motor, which you'll see when we go to put that in the actual 240. I guess another thing I wanted to update you guys on, which will go upstairs for that, is the other side of Explicit, and that would be 3D printing and the engineering part of it. Alright guys, so welcome to the lab. This is where the other half of our videos will be taking place. I don't think we talked about it at all on the channel yet, but we'll talk about it now. We pretty much want to make an impact in the automotive world by launching our own line of 3D printed car products and car parts and stuff like that, and being able to offer people a means, a more affordable means to be able to modify their car in different ways. You know, by doing that, leveraging new technologies and stuff. So we're really passionate about making things. A lot of the people you'll see on the channel have a lot of background doing stuff like fabrication, you know, automotive design, whatever the case is, programming. All of us pretty much have had our hands in a bunch of different things, and are really looking forward to being able to put all our skills together and seeing how we can make a positive impact on the car community as a whole. And you know, we'll be talking about more about, you know, 3D print startup techniques. Maybe let me know if you guys are interested in knowing, you know, what printers you guys should start out with, starting out in 3D printing, the basics, know how to, or how you can apply 3D printing to your field and whatever you're doing. Or maybe you have a special project you want to try out and want to learn how to maybe create something unique for that. 3D printing definitely is the way to go. We'll give you guys a quick little overview of the setup and show you guys, you know, what we're all about. Over here, this is what I like to call the station, the village, you know what I mean? This is where we get most of our work done. This is the main rig over here. Keep all the Legos and 3D printed stuff. Give you a quick layout of our machines over here real quick. So I have a multitude of different 3D printers. I'm currently going into switching over full Core XY, so we have the same quality throughout the whole setup. But I have a FL Sun SR, a FL Sun Q5, a Creality K1, which I'm going through the process of upgrading right now. And then we got over here our Creality S1 or V3 S1 Pro with the dry box attached, and then our resin printer, which is a new Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. Really cool machine, this one right here. And then we also have our Creality V3 SE. Here's a bunch of little toys that we can make that I'll show you guys. Little fidget toys and stuff, you know. So after getting everything updated, upgraded, and trying to get everything together for the 240, piece together pretty much a running car out of something that didn't even come with a motor. I am trying my best, but let me know what you guys would like to see more on this channel. And we're gonna be sticking mainly to like drifting and JDM stuff. By the way, any of you guys local to Virginia, catch me at Doricon at the end of the month. If you can make it, it's at Shenandoah Valley Speedway. Other than that, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Peace.